yet. Oh my gosh.
That is going to be good.
You have to put it on your bike. Very different. And then we'll make it work. Bing!
Do it again.
We ready? Ready?
Oh, that is going to be the star of his trike.
Why do I have 2 leftover screws?
Does it hold the pusher
Oh,
thing?
it's got to be the handle.
Yeah.
Yes. I think, yeah. 10:24.
He wants you to do it again, Mom.
Bing. Okay, here we go. You ready? We're going to have to put it on the bike. That's the best part.
That's the camera, Ollie. We were documenting. Now you saw. Can you say trike?
Yeah.
Trike. Is that your trike or bike or what do we want to call it? Your bike, maybe? Oh, see. Somebody's got the camera.